day to you, sir.
Good day. We were sent by Jesus to ask you if you know who your Savior is. We are the Jehovah Witness of the 7th Baptist 11th 711 Street.
Oh, you, hold on 1 second. Yo, Vince, are the Jehovah Witness boy them? What we are gonna do?
You're too bad mind, 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 you're too bad mind.
¿Qué? ¿Qué pasó? No hablo English eso, papi, papi, check the next one down the line, papi. No hablo English in eso. Call Parody.
I
Feel it, do you feel it?
We have a sinner. Kiss me, granny, papa, God.
Shoot, good,
Yo, you're
good,
late.
good.
Which post hole on that from the door? What you want? Eh? What you want?
Deacon Chad, do you have the holy water?
Yo, Jabby, me not on the earth right here, right now, you see?
Really?
I can't believe it.
Check back about next 5 minutes. What you want?
Do you believe there's a heaven and a hell?
Top blood. Bother me.
Yo, my man, I'm not telling me to talk to strangers, you know. Jesus sent us here on a mission. This is why he told us to come to this door. We've been to many doors today, but this door is special.
Miss Patsy no there. Stop. Come here.
Have you been circumcised?
Oh!
Yo, my dad, I got something right now. You have to come link me back a little more, isn't it? What is he saying? I don't understand. Can you repeat that? Have you been chastised?
You've been chastised.
You're messing up, man. I forgot to type about them right now. So I forgot to check the back little more, isn't it? Yeah, man. Have you been baptized?
That's how Masha works, is it?
You need to be blessed with the holy water. I need to sprinkle some.
Check back about 5 minutes.
Do you feel it?
I feel it, brother Chad. I feel it. I think I market this.
Oh God, you need so much. You have
He needs
so
another
much.
brochure. He needs another brochure.
No, don't tell it. Don't tell it. No, let's not include it. Let's not include it. No.
Ready, ready, ready.